अस्सलाम वालेकुम। मैं फ़ज़ल कासिम मर्दान से हूँ। एक इदारा चला रहा हूँ पेलिक्स के नाम से, और डॉक्टर साहब की तो मैंने और भी ट्रेनिंग्स अटेंड की हैं एंड दे वर अमेजिंग एंड आई वाज रियली इम्प्रेस्ड ऑफ हिज way of teaching and his techniques, what he's using. And this training about hypnosis was overwhelming, and it was we can say it has brought a kind of dramatic changes in our lives, because we now know how to overcome our problems and how to bring our negativities into positivity, how to strengthen, how to make ourselves more strengthened and more powerful physically as well as mentally, because sometimes it happens that we want to remove any bad habits, but we are unable to do it. Hypnosis has taught us that how we can remove our bad habits and how we can convert them into positive, how we can convert them into good habits, and how we can convert the habits of bad habits of other people. This is the power which we have received from this teaching, this training, and we are proud of our trainer, Sir Dr. Arif Siddiqui Saab.